Breaking news. Warning to all fans by LATEEF ADEDIMEJI. Before we continue, what we do here is to give updates and news about Nollywood actors and actresses. Don't forget to subscribe. Nollywood actor LATEEF ADEDIMEJI has made a heartfelt plea to fans and the general public to stop the incessant bullying of his wife, actress Mobimpe, both online and in real life. In a recent statement, the actor expressed deep concern about the toll the constant negativity is taking on his wife's mental health and overall well-being. The couple, who have become one of the most beloved pairs in the Nigerian entertainment industry, have frequently found themselves under public scrutiny. Despite their efforts to maintain a positive image, Mobimpe has been subjected to harsh criticisms, with some individuals making unfounded accusations and hurtful remarks about her personal life and career choices. LATEEF, in a video shared on his social media platforms, described the bullying as unnecessary and unfair. He said, "My wife is human too, and no one deserves to be treated with such disrespect. It's disheartening to see how some people use social media to spread negativity. Please, let us be kind to one another." Mobimpe has also hinted at the emotional strain caused by the cyberbullying in a recent Instagram post, where she encouraged fans to focus on spreading love rather than hate. She wrote, "Words have power. Let's choose to uplift and not tear each other down." Fans and colleagues in the entertainment industry have shown solidarity with the couple, urging the public to respect their privacy and applaud their contributions to Nollywood. Some notable figures, including Funke Akindele and Toyin Abraham, have taken to social media to condemn online bullying and encourage fans to foster positivity. Before we go, we advise everyone doing this to please stop it. It is very bad to bully a fellow human. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.